Would you put that? Would you put the pen back? That's what it has, I think.
Could I hold that baby brother? Can I hold him, Daddy?
Oh, he's waking up, Jacob.
If he's like, sit back, Daddy. I'm so happy to sit back. You can sit back baby.
He's looking at you, that's right.
Why?
Because you're the big brother in the family, the biggest brother. Josh, stay, no.
Joshua.
No. You're going to hurt your fingers. No.
Well, they put a socks on.
Please, look at my hair, please.
Come here. You gotta hold his head. Hold his head. Give me your arm. This arm under his legs. Give me this arm. That's right. Hold it. Put his like. See where my hand is?
He doesn't see your hand.
See my hand is under his neck?
Baby Ethan. Baby Ethan.
Look, Ethan.
It's your two brothers.
Hi, baby Ethan.
Gentle with his head, remember? You get that?
My baby.
Be careful with his head. Yeah, that's baby brother.
He's gonna eat food, Daddy.
He can't eat food yet. He's too little.
Does he choke on food?
He doesn't eat food. He doesn't have any teeth. No, Joshy.
Baby.
I'm gonna give him to mommy now. You wanna see him, Joshy? Come here, see? Come here, Joshy. You can see him. See? Put his little booties on him. No, Joshy, you're too young. Don't touch him.
And touch his legs.
Touch your knee.
And his knee.
I need to lick.
The little baby. You were a little baby then. You were once that small.